Hello Pisces, welcome to my page, and this is the video for your current energy check-in. So I'll be pulling one card as an overall energy and then clarifying, and thanks for joining here. So let's see what's the overall energy for Pisces. One card for the overall energy for Pisces. Four of Pentacles, okay. So you are either holding on to something or you are not sharing something with someone. So you're either keeping some secret or you are holding on to something. It can be something from the past. It can be that also, you're holding it tight. It can be your finances that you are holding tight. It can be your possessions, whatever it is, or it is just your emotions that you're not showing to anyone or keeping some secrets. We'll see what that is. But definitely you're holding something close to your heart. Okay, we'll see what that is. So let's see why is this Four of Pentacles here for? So for the Four of Pentacles, we have the Two of Pentacles, the Ten of Cups, Nine of Swords, the Ten of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, Six of Cups, King of Pentacles, okay, and the Two of Cups. Temperance, Devil, Three of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. Quite many cards. So maybe you are keeping something a secret, that's what I feel, and maybe it is a relationship here, or you're keeping your feelings a secret from the other person whom you view as a potential partner. It can be that also. So anyway, we'll see. So you are hiding or holding it. I think it's not holding some baggage or something, though it may be. We have the Nine of Swords also. So definitely you are not opening it all. You are not opening up emotionally. Completely you are not open up emotionally. Okay, you are still have things within you. That's what I feel. And you are indecisive. You are juggling between two options. You are not able to make up your mind regarding a relationship. That's what I feel. You know that this is the right person. You want to have a commitment and you really are happy, and that is what is promised with this person. So with the Ten of Cups being there, it is a highly promising card. It is something that this relationship or whatever this indecisiveness is regarding this is showing up as a very, very happy card. It is something which is going to give you a lot of happiness. So this relationship is really going to give you a lot of happiness. Even if you are double-minded about it, you are indecisive about it, you know that you make this person happy and they make you happy. You are looking in for a relationship over here, or maybe you're actually dealing with it. But yes, this is a sort of a promising card, or a good card, a positive card, that yes, you are in the right direction, you can say that. Okay, so what I feel is with the Nine of Swords and the Ten of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, I think you are closed off or hiding your emotions or feelings or not opening up it up completely, because you have something which is bothering you deep within. Something is really bothering you deep within. Maybe it is something related to the past, because with the Ten of Swords, I see that there is a cycle coming to an end. Maybe in the past you have, because we have the Devil also here, maybe you have been sort of cheated or lied to, or something must have happened, some sort of backstabbing, or somebody must have lied to you, cheated to you, something like that, and that is what you have. Some relationship issues, maybe you have the fear of opening up because you really are not very sure as to how it will go in future, and that is why you are keeping things to yourself. You are keeping it to yourself. That's what I feel. I think you have the anxiety of opening up, or the fear of opening up, because you are not very sure as to which direction it will go, or what will happen if you open up completely, or you are not even sure will it have any future. It can be that also. So it's something like that. So there is some fear of opening up, and that is what has happened in the past also. That's what I feel. Can be that, the devil being there. Okay, so then we have the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Six of Cups, and the Two of Cups. So as simple as that, you are equal counterparts. Both of you are in a very beautiful place. Both of you are very sorted, being very, very, very provided, providing to this relationship at an equal degree. Okay, in an equal way with the Six of Cups, but you are wanting to, there's some sort of a reconciliation over here, some sort of happy times here. Maybe you are being nostalgic, it can be that also. But what I feel is, it is, maybe you need to get back to this person. But with the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, both of you are at the same page. Both of you are contributing to this relationship in a beautiful way. Both of you have seen life, sort of, you have an experience, you know how to take this relationship forward. It's something like that, and that is what you are doing. And what I feel here with the Six of Cups is, maybe it can be with some of you that you are wanting to get back to this person, or reconcile with someone. But what I feel here is, it is a relationship with the Two of Cups being there, which is equal give and take. Again, as I am saying, a very beautiful and a soulmate type of a connection here. But what I am feeling here is, this relationship is going to give back your happy times. It will be able to heal your past hurts. That's what I am trying to say. Okay, this is getting back, this equation is going to get back your happy times, and help you to come out of this stress, and help you complete this cycle of stress and the anxiety issues which you may be having in life. That's what I feel. Okay, we have the Temperance, the Devil, Three of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. So again, what I feel is, with the Two of Cups and the Temperance, you are trying to moderate this relationship. You are trying to take it slow. You are in no haste. You really don't want to mess up. You really are, as you are not even opening up completely, you are trying to moderate it. With the Two of Pentacles being here and the Temperance, you are trying to moderate. You are trying to come to a decision. You are trying to take it slow. So when you start, it is a huge juggling of emotions and mind and heart type of a thing. You don't know what to do, what not to do. But as you proceed and as you progress in this relationship, what I feel is, you are able to have some sort of like, not that fearful now, not that, anxiety is less, tension is less. You are comparatively more calm and composed and cool. That is what the effect of this relationship is on you. Okay, so what I feel is, we have the Devil, the Three of Pentacles, and the Ace of Wands. So whatever it is which may be holding you back, the inner fears, the insecurities, whatever they are which are holding you back, or trying to pop up in between this relationship, those things are slowly getting sorted out. That's what it is. And with the Three of Pentacles and the Ace of Wands, what I feel is, there is a new beginning over here, but it is coming up with some sort of a teamwork, some sort of collaboration. Be with each other, be a support system, support each other in whatever it is. Maybe you need to work together, maybe you need to collaborate at the workplace. It can be some sort of a teamwork may be required, or maybe get together with friends or something like that. But definitely with the Ace of Wands, you have a new beginning over here. You have a new beginning over here, definitely. So Pisces, what I feel is, you are closed off for you have the fear of opening up. You have insecurity issues. You have many issues because of some past, and this relationship is going to moderate and ease all that anxiety in your life. So the anxiety which was at the start of this relationship, this is going to be sorted out, and this relationship is really promising to be a very beautiful one, and it is going to give you that happy times back again in your life. Okay, and both of you are behaving in a very mature way. Both of you are able to carry it in a very mature way forward. That's what I feel. So Pisces, that's all I have for you. Hope it helps, and thank you. Bye. Thanks for joining.